Hi students, this is Professor Hughes. I'm going to show you how to take your quizzes in Connect for Bio 105. So just as a reminder, you have one attempt on each quiz and they are timed. So the amount of time you have is proportional to how many questions are on the quiz. So if you have 20 questions on the quiz, or 20 or 21 questions, you'll probably have about 25 minutes. If you have about 30 questions, you'll have about 38 minutes or so to complete it. So once you're ready to take your quiz, like I showed there, you just go to each week, you expand it out. Whatever week it is, you need to complete it on the quiz. You hit this arrow right next to it and then hit begin. And then please note when this pop-up will pop up to remind you that this is a timed assignment. So only your quizzes and your final exam will be timed. You have a little over so you have about a minute 20 1.25 minutes or whatever it is, a minute 20 seconds, something like that per question. Once you hit yes, let's begin, the timer starts counting down and it doesn't stop for any reason. It will keep going. Actually, there is one reason. On the final exam, if you go into the final exam, it says you have 3 hours left, but you started it at 11 a.m. Since our semester closes at 12 p.m., which is 12 noon in the middle of the day, you'll only have an hour to take it. So it'll close. So any quiz or final that you're taking close to the end of the module, that'll close out. So just be aware of that. So once you hit yes, let's begin, that's when your timer is going to start ticking down. So see that there's a timer right at the top. That means if you need to use the bathroom or get a cup of coffee, do a little bit of a stretch, do a breathing exercise to help with testing anxiety, make sure that you're doing that before you click the begin field, because once you click begin, the timer's going to start going. So even if you hit save and exit down here, the timer doesn't stop. If you hit save and exit and then come back, the timer is still going. So obviously, if you're going to complete the assignments, you want to hit continue and then do as many questions as you're able to. So that is how we complete our quizzes in Connect. There is a penalty for completing Connect assignments late. It's minus 5 percentage points per day late. So if you were to get all of the questions correct, but you took the quiz or the project or the homework or one of those assignments late, let's say you did it 4 days late and you got all the questions correct, the highest grade you could get would be an 80 because of that 5% penalty per day late. So that is how we complete our quizzes. You go into Moodle, open up the week that you're looking at, go to the arrow button to start and hit begin, and then hit yes, let's begin, and then hit continue. And once you've hit continue, it will start asking you questions.